हाँ सर, हाँ। ओके।
स्टार्ट।
सॉरी मैं म्यूट पे बोल रहा था। जस्ट अ मिनट, एकदम कूलली मैं सब बता रहा हूँ एक बार, ठीक है? ये किसकी वॉइस लीक हो रही है?
हाँ सर, म्यूट मारो सर, ऊपर से म्यूट मारो।
शायद हम वहाँ पे ऑडिबल है, या वी आर ऑडिबल है।
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Winter's most
Good evening to you
awaited
all.
moment is here. Hello.
Networks.
The most of it is finally here. Yes. So let's start and have a look about it. Like it is based on lines of GSOC. Over 60 projects will be there. Yeah. So let's begin.
So welcome to the Winter of Code opening ceremony, and we'll be walking you through our whole event, and we'll be welcoming you to the beginning of what is to be a long 2-month long journey. And yeah, so this is basically to orient you to let you know the coding phase and let you know the phases that will be going through leading to the coding phase, as well as walking you through to the whole process. So we are here with the opening ceremony. Welcome all.
Vice President. We are about to start. So let's begin it. Yes, it is an open source event based on lines of GSOC. Student will follow similar procedure like the way they follow in GSOC. It is a good practice to have it, and it is a first day. So let's begin it. Next slide, please. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, you heard it right. Over 23 plus 2300 plus contributors have participated and willing to participate in the event. Yes, and 20 mentor organizations. Yes, some of them are participating in GSOG as well, and it is like fabulous opportunity to get connected with them over a 3 month long exciting event and 60 plus open source project. There will be projects for beginners as well. There will be projects for some top skill persons as well. So we are waiting. And yeah, of course, 50 plus community partners. Thanks to all GDSCs communities and other partners for helping us and creating and spreading the information about such a massive event. Let's begin it. Over to you, Hamdan.
Hey folks, so allow me to guide you through the timeline of this event. Okay, so the student applications are already live and it is going to end on 15th of January, which is like 2 days from now. So make sure you register as soon as possible. Um, you will be providing you with a template to write a proposal or a resume if you want to. It's available on our website. Please do check it out. Selected students will write a proposal for a desired project for what they want to be working on and get a chance to contribute on real life projects. So register as soon as possible. Now, what the proposal about the proposal writing? Selected students will get the proposal template on their emails, and yes, so we got you covered over there as well. So you have a timeline of 15th of January to 28th of January. Within that time frame, you have to write your own email, write your own proposals, and submit to your mentor organizations. Okay, next slide, please. Yep. So starting from 20th of January, we'll have a community bonding phase where mentor and students will interact with each other. This is like really important. Allow me to stress on this. You will get to know, you will get to have your onboarding, you will get to know about the project, you'll get to set up your project in this time frame. It's on 20th of Jan and will end on 25th of January. Starting from 25th of January, you'll have your coding phase and it will last for about 45 days. Allow me to repeat that. It will last for about 45 days and it will end on 15th of March. Now, this is the time where you will be actually working on your project, you will be actually contributing to that project, and your mentor will guide you what all contributions you have to make. So, keep in touch with your mentors and keep contributing. Next slide, please. Okay. Um, so this is the main event feedback starting from 15th of Feb to 20th of Feb, where mentors will give the feedback and participants to participants, and they might as well allow you to ask to continue on the projects as well. So based on the mid-event feedback and the mentor event feedback, which is from 10th of March to 12th of 20th of Feb. You'll be awarded swags as well, so keep an eye out for that as well. Like specific organizations will have specific swags. Some will give you monetary rewards, some will give you stickers or swags, and some will give you subscriptions for the year-long event. So that is it. Keep an eye out for that. Now, it is the time for a closure. 25th of March will be our closing ceremony. Our closing ceremony will be followed by projects, winner announcements, swags announcement, and participants will celebrate and reflect upon their accomplishments. So, yep. Next slide, please. Cool. Suryansh, over to you. Okay.
Hi, so this is a collaborative effort, as I said before, and five event partners are there along with GDSC IIIT Kalyani. Allow me to introduce them. Next slide, please. So those were NIE Mysore, GDSC NIE Mysore, GDSC IIIT Hyderabad, GDSC IIIT Sri City, GDSC Pune Institute of Computer Technology, GDSC IIIT Nagpur. We will like to thank them for supporting us and creating such a huge impact. Last 3 months are absolutely ridiculous, and the work, the effort that our event partners and our team took on. It's a great blessing for the community and society and for the open source contributors. Uh, Next slide. Yeah. So let's pass to our partners, which will be giving some goodies and sockets and some benefits, that motivation part to our contributors. Like most probably like half people do these things. Because of the benefits that they get. Yeah, definitely it is a secondary, but yes. So Deffolio is like you all have registered through Deffolio. So yeah, they are partners with us, and they will be providing some sockets to our winners. GitHub, you will be GitHub is our partner, and they will be supporting us throughout the event. Next slide. Then there is Polygon. There are prizes by Polygon. You can check out from slides. 10,000 for the best hack build on Ethereum, or 15,000 for the best hack built on Ethereum plus Polygon. Eligibility to apply for internship and full-time roles are also available. You can check it out. We will provide you the link after the ceremony. And yeah, for these links and all, you can refer to our Discord channel. We will be providing everything will be there. Okay, you can join our Discord community. We will like it is in the description. You can check it out. Next up, Filecoin. Filecoin also providing something good. Previous slide, please. Yeah. So Filecoin also providing 20,000 for best use of IPFS or Filecoin. So please do check them as well. Like they can be beneficial, and you will be getting those money if you are good at that. Next slide, please. Next up, Solana, they are also participated with us as an organization, and will be providing some projects. So, and they are our partners as well. They will be providing $100 for the best project, for best beginners project, just starting out on Solana directors. Uh, Solana, or $250 for the best project that goes into deep demonstrating higher order code. And there will be one more prize, $500 for the best advanced project that is almost ready. So $500 to mine it and check it. So that's a massive deal you can track before winter of code. Okay, then there is Replit for hello, stream is freezed. Uh, Okay, okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so over 5,000 to winning project of the hackathon plus Replit swag to 5 eligible submission deployed on Replit. So you can check it out as well. And eligibility to apply for internships and full-time roles at Replit. So it is a big company. So do check it out, guys. Next up. Yeah, and our major sponsor, which is is Newton School. Newton Schools is also having their event, Code Rush X. We all know how much DSA and CP plays a major role in our tech journey, and so the event is very important. The contest is very important, and it is massive, and so please just check it out and register for it. We expect you are an open source developer as well as a good competitive program, because CP and DS is the base behind everything, as we said from the first year from our college journey and from our tech journey. Okay, so the event will take place on 20th January 2022. There will be prizes from Newton Schools for top 7 contributors for Winter of Code. So yeah, they are all win-win situations. Let's go to next slide. And then we have organizations. Hamdan, can you take on from here?
Sure. So these are our lights of the event. Without this, our event would not be this success. So allow me to introduce you to our first organization, Moja Global. Now, Moja Global is a non-profit collaborative project that brings together a community of experts to develop open source solutions. They allow users to more accurately and affordably estimate greenhouse gas emissions and removal from the ALOFQ sector. Okay, so on our website, you can go through a complete list of what Moja Global has to offer in terms of projects. You are supposed to work on these projects, and you are supposed to apply for these mentorship under these projects. When you write a proposal, when you write a proposal, you are supposed to mention to these mentors, to these projects, and make sure your tech stack is absolutely in line to what the requirement is. Now, they are building a community of experts, scientists, and developers to create the first open source software in MVR systems for the land sector that is affordable, accurate, and fully customizable to a customer's need, whether a user represents a country, region, local government, or company, or a project. Now, with this, allow me to come to the next organization, which is Polyxon. Next slide. Okay, so GDevelop is a no-code, open-source, free and easy game-making app. Do try that out. We have a complete list of projects that's available for us, Winter of Code this season. So do check them out and make sure your tech stacks again in line with these events whenever you write a proposal, and uh, try those projects. Try those projects before you apply to them. Next slide, please. Okay, so Polyexon is a platform that's reproducible and scalable machine learning that and developing deep learning on Kubernetes. Now, Polyexon gives you a complete simple path to quicker and faster innovation and develop reproducible and scalable machine learning models for developers and researchers. It's exquisite for newbies and experienced developers alike. So now Polyexon has a lot of projects with us, mostly on Kubernetes, Python, TensorFlow, AIML. Do check them out. Do reach our mentors. Let them know what you are working on, what you want to work on. With that, allow me to come to the next organization, which is Open Code Yard. Now, a complete list of Open Code Yard projects are available on the website and on our slides on your screens as well. Your mentor is here with us, and the project tech stack is on Dart and Flutter. Okay, Suryansh, would you like to take over? with Clueless, our next major
Yes,
organization.
Sam. Yeah. Hi. So next up, Clueless, right?
Yes.
Just okay. So Clueless is a virtual open source community built to encourage and guide enthusiastic to dive into the world of open source. Like just an organization made for winter of code, you can say. And projects which Clueless are giving seamless UI official website. Their Clueless official website. There is college API and Flutter UI components. You can check the projects in our website project section. Okay, the mentors who will be guiding you for these projects are Rajdeep Singh Gupta, Devajyoti Shah, Nikhil Raj, Shubho Ghosh, Roshan Kumar. The tech stack at which these projects are based on are HTML, TypeScript, Python, Dart, and Flutter. Okay. Next slide, please. Next organization is Async API, which have participated in Winter of Code 2.0 as well. About Async API, Async API provides open source tools to easily build and maintain your event-driven architecture. All powered by async API specification, the industry standard for defining asynchronous APIs. So yeah, sounds interesting, guys. Yeah. So why not to work on this? So there are a lot of ideas and projects which you can work with async APIs. The mentors who will be there are Magic, Urban Zek, Fran Mendes, and Jonas Laguni, uh, and Ace. So yeah, and yeah, you will get a chance to meet these people who already achieved a lot. You can contact them. You have got mails, and if you get selected, you have a direct communication with them. So please, and the tech stacks that will be used for doing these projects are web dev. Yeah, so these are some of the them are web dev project, Next.js mainly, then JavaScript, React, and Node.js. Next up. Next community is AdHub community. AdHub community have a project for Winter of Code. That's their community website enhancement. Mentor is Sahitya Roy. And tech stack that will be used are HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So it is a kind of basic project. And if you're still starting your journey, if you are a first year student, that's I think this is a good start. But even if you don't know anything, just go for it. I'm recommending you. Next up. And then there is Hack for Code. Hack for Code is our community partners as well. The project which Hack for Code is providing is COVID vaccine notifier. Mentor is Ayan Sarkar. Tech stack are tech stack if you are familiar, Java and Android. Okay, so there is an Android app that you will be building. Next slide. So next is Gita Initiative, participated in Winter of Code 2.0 as well. They will be providing some goodies from their end, if you are a contributor of Gita Initiative. So projects are Bhagavad Gita API, Bhagavad Gita app, their front-end website, and a Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So mentor is Anubhav Gupta. You can contact him. Okay. And tech stack, which you require to contribute in Gita initiative are Python, Shell, Dart, Shift, Ruby, Kotlin, JavaScript, CSS, and JSON. Okay, so if you know any of these things, just check out the projects. Like if you are know Python, just go through the project and see the projects in which you can contribute. Okay, next slide. So next organization is Open EMR. Yes, you heard it right. So the projects that OpenEMR are offering are mobile app, their mobile app, and automated testing, modernized database, standardized PDF tool, PACs, server integration. Mentors will be Brady Miller, Robert Dawn, and Stephen White. Okay, The tech stack that you required are PHP, JavaScript, Excel, XSLT, HTML, CSS, and SCSS. Okay. So yeah, they are pretty a cool project. Next up is Samagra X. Projects are English Transformer. Packing and implementing. Next is packing and yeah. And next is mentors will be Gautam Rajiv, Harshal Jan, and Khushbu Agrawal. Tech stacks are JavaScript and CSS. I know most of you are front-end developers, so there are couple of like a lot of projects for you guys. So yeah, next slide. Next is DevScript. DevScript offers a project, Code Khata. I think many of you have heard about it as well. Mentors will be Murshal Frakon and Vedant Khane. Tech stacks that you require to work on Code Khata are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and Java. Okay, next slide. Next is alpha.dev, who are also our community partners. Projects that alpha.dev are offering are template for GenLetter, add features to OrgBazaar, add features to GitHub search, and a to-do list that you can work. Mentors will be Jadi De, Arjun Banerjee, Agni Ghosh. You can contact them. You can set up project before the set before your like before your coding phase so that you get extra benefit. Yes, that you have already said and you have talked with mentors before, so yeah, you have planned everything. So tech stack that you may require are JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and React. Next slide. There is a project by Tetra Forge 3D. Project is training generation and texturing tool. Mentor Jayasamitra Mukherjee will be mentoring you guys for this project. Tech stack that required for this project is C++. Yeah, so it is a good opportunity for the guys who just started getting in touch with programming and started just C++. So this is a project for you guys. C++ and C Python will be used here. GLS. Next up. Shorto is also organization for our event. Shorto is offering a project URL shortener. I think you have heard about it before. Mentor will be Vinyas H and Savio Dice. Yeah, you will be required HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Again, beginner friendly project, I can say. So do check it out, and this is a good project, very good project. Yeah, so you will get to know about these things. Code Family is also offering a couple of projects for you guys. Their official website and a digital library. Uh, Nikita, Vani, and Anurag will be mentoring you guys. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript documentation. Again, some good thing that you don't know. If even if you don't know anything, you can start from today itself and contribute in these projects. Next up. Next is okay. So Samagra and Code for GovTech are same organization. Next slide. So we have already covered it before. Hugh, Anand, can you take out from here?
Sure. Okay, a huge shout out to our community partners. Allow me to name them out. They are GDSC SRM Sonpat, GDSC ECRC Jaipur, GDSC JMI, GDSC APSCIT, GDSC SRC 8SW, GDSC IIT BBS, GDSC GTBIT, Hack for Code, GDSC Cummins, GDSC GNDU, GDSC PP, GDSC SC, SGSITS, GDSC ASIT, Skill Eliters, Alpha.dev, GDSC Strings, SCEC Club, GDSC DTC, GDSC NSCC, GDSC BIT Jaipur, GDSC BIT Jaipur, GDSC BBD, Cherry, GDSC GCE, Amravati, GDSC ZH CET, SERC, GDSC SBCE, GDSC KGEC, and GDSC GLA. A huge shout out to these community partners. Without them, this event would not have so much success. These are the ones who have worked with us and put light to this event. Over to you. Okay.
Okay, guys, there are few more community partners for us. GDSC CHOSAT, GDSC CGU, GDSC Shada University. These are also who helped us and spreaded the news about the event so that students from all over the India can contribute in this mega fest and they don't regret it later that there is an event and they didn't got a chance to participate. Next up, allow me to introduce my mentor, our previous lead, Akshita Dikshit. Sorry for a minute. Okay, so before that, let me give you a brief about what is proposal. Okay, so I know that many of you haven't know about proposal. Okay, so don't be scared. Proposal is just a PDF where you write a document file where you write that this is my idea, this is the project, and this is how I'm going to proceed. Okay, throughout the event, and there will be a table where we'll be writing your plans, what will be you doing at week one, what will be doing on week two, and so on. Okay, so just that, and don't scare that even if you don't get any idea, we'll be taking an individual ceremony over it. Okay, so it will be probably on 16th, and yeah, and we will be also sharing a template. And for the students who are asking, there is like there's application is still under review. Yeah, so we are reviewing all the application and they will be get done by 14th, I guess, and you will be getting a mail from our side where they will be attaching a proposal template where you can, and all the details from where you can submit the proposal and get in touch with the organization and everything. Okay, so don't be just have patience, guys. We will be doing everything for it. Okay,
This
so
proposal would be exactly what you are supposed to do in GSOC, so it's a good forerunner for that. Again, you will be allowed to write in detail what all changes you want to propose, what all things you are proposing, what all fixes you want to do. No need to take any load about this right now because we'll be sharing it through you. We'll be having sessions in person and we'll be sharing you a template through emails as well. So, yep, Suresh.
okay, sorry for that. So for the students, so this is all about proposal. For the students who haven't registered it yet, there are still 3 days, and yeah. And if you stuck that you didn't have a resume, so you can't register, don't worry. We have made a template and we have shared, I think, with you. And yeah, and for throughout the event, if you face any questions or queries, you can also review your proposal, your application from us. Okay, so that's a support that we are giving you as well. So there are over 1,800 people in our Discord channel. So do join us, guys. I think most of you have already joined, and if you didn't, just join it. Complete your resume as soon as possible because yeah, who knows whether it's 12 or 15.
If you have to just create a ticket from our on our Discord servers, or you can ask our community members as well. We have like a very good community support. As ask in any channels, any help you need, you will be getting it.
Just a couple of minutes, we will start. Just a 2 minute break, guys. will be.
So, good evening once again to you all. We have with us Akshita Dikshit, the former lead at GDSC IIIT Kalyani. She led our WOC 2.0 campaign, and she is here to, tell you all about the contributors' experience about it. And we would love to hear her speak once again. Welcome, Akshita, to this amazing evening. The stage is all yours.
Thank you so much, Nixie, and hi everyone. Super glad to be back here on one of these streams. Yeah, it's been a long time since we've done one of these, and I'm really happy about the fact that we're launching version 3.0 of Winter of Code, which was originally envisioned by Somi Bardhan, who was my lead when I joined GDSC. And yeah, it's really great that the team is taking this forward. And kudos to Suryansh, Nikhil, Hamdan, Ashish, Ayush, and everybody else in the team who's come together and made this possible. I think there are really great organizations this time. Many more sponsors here with you. Also, yeah, this isn't required, but thank you. Now, yeah. So I cannot see the stream or anything else, but it's okay. So yeah, I think the only thing that I can contribute to the stream would be that please go ahead and apply even if you think you know nothing. Please go ahead and apply even if you think that you know stuff and this might not be required for you, because eventually you will learn a lot. Because I think I've been friends with a lot of people who participated in the previous cohort of WOC, and one of them got selected in I think two of them got selected in GSOC. There was a very senior person who's currently pursuing their PhD and who participated in WOC last year, and we met them offline, and it was really overwhelmingly nice to talk to them and know how a small program initiative started by us impacted their life. So I think, yeah, that is all from my end. Please go ahead and participate, and all the best to the team and the participants taking WOC forward. Thank you.
Hi guys. Thanks Akshita for your kind words and leading the GDSC. It was the phase that we have just started, and like Somi ma'am and you are the two leads that started Winter of Code and its legacy, and now we are achieving over like 2,300 registrations. So that's a great move from your side and Somi ma'am's side. So yeah, one thing I forgot that about Stiva. So Stiva is also our partners and an organization. They will be providing a project for you guys as well. Their Android. So yeah, and they will be prizes by Styva to top 30 contributors. So do check it out. The project will be updated soon. Yeah, and the contributors who are interested in project, and Styva is a very huge community of the developers. So you will get to connect a lot of people. You can join their Discord channel and connect with the people who are doing very well in tech domains, and you can get in touch with them. We will be sharing Discord channel of Styva through our description or through the Discord channel, our Discord channel. Okay. So yeah, thanks Styva for contributing, for being partners and supporting us throughout the event. Yeah, so that's all about our opening ceremony and Winter of Code. Feel free to ask any questions through our Discord channel. And thanks a lot, guys. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to our partners. Thanks to our organizations, and of course the team for pulling out such a massive event. And do register, guys. There are only 3 days left for the registration, and soon, yeah, there will be. If I forgot, there will be a proposal writing session from on 16th. So if you face a little difficulty in creating a proposal, so you will be getting guidance from them. Okay, that's
Cool.
all.
So you'll find all of our links. Do connect with us. It's in the bar. It's in the comment section. It's in the description after the video ends. And wishing my best wishes to all the participants. Hoping to see you all soon in the coding phase.